If you're suffering this holiday season with cracked or missing teeth, let EON Clinics bring a look of delight to your face. A smile is a sign of happiness with dental implants that feel and function like real teeth.
Dental implants for patients who have been wearing partial dentures is like a new lease on life. You talk about a makeover, it's the most amazing makeover that can be done in medicine.
Take sweet pictures with your family, enjoy the mouth-watering holiday foods you've been missing, and celebrate every minute with a feeling of comfort and joy this festive season.
The compassion and interaction at EON Clinics are top quality.
The thing I hear most often after they finished, I wish I would have done this sooner.
Invest in your smile. Live your happiest and fullest life with dental implants.
Hands down, implants is the way to go.
I highly recommend EON Clinics.
Call EON Clinics at 844-365-SMILE or visit our website at eonclinics.com.